Okay, here's a question a number of people have had, and that is the value of the phase shift. So to determine the phase shift, um, it's typically the C spot right here, right? Within the brackets there. But sometimes the equation are written in a couple of different ways. So this equation here could also be written like this. Y of t is equal to 8,000 cos, and then pi over 60t minus pi over 6, I think it would be. So if the equation, and let me write the phase shift part. So the phase shift formula I know is C over B, right? But it's C over B if the equation is written like this. Y of t is equal to, I'll just use the letters, A cos bx minus c plus d. So if this b value hasn't been factored out yet to produce this, bx minus c over b plus d. So if it hasn't been factored out yet, then to figure out the phase shift, you do have to go c divided by b. But if it's already factored out like this or like this, then the phase shift is simply that number right there. So this graph here would move 10 units to the right because it's minus. If it was written like this, where there's no brackets, then you'd have to go the c over b route. So it would be pi over 6 divided by pi over 60. Hopefully that comes out to the same thing. Let me see. Pi over 6 divide pi over 60. So it's pi over 6 times 60 over pi. The pi's cancel out. 6 into 60, yeah, it goes 10. Yeah. So if it's written in this format, you'd have to do the C over B. If it's written in this format, you just write down whatever that number is. That's your phase shift.